Hello guys, this is Molas. Today we'll discuss IP version 4. IP version 4 is an internet protocol which are used for communication of network device. So IP version 4 is introduced by US Department of Defense, and the one who have responsibility for IP version 4 is an Internet Assigned Number Authority. IP version 4, it has a format x.x.x.x IP format, which is x.x.x.x, whereby each x is an octet. X is an octet, and each octet is separated by dot, as you can see right here. One octet, it has 8-bit, which form 4 octet, whereby it will form 32 bits. So IP address version 4, it has a 32 bit, it will form 32 bit, as you can see, whereby total number of IP address is 2 power 32, which form almost 4.7 billion. So minimum number of octet is 0, 2, 3, 8. This one is the minimum number, and the maximum number of each octet is 111. Think this, which is in this it will be 0, and this one it will be 255. This is the maximum number. So while you are assigning IP, you should not exceed 255 in each octet. Then let's check on class of IP version 4. IP version 4, it have a class A, B, C, D, and E, whereby class A, it have a range from 1 up to 126, and the class B, it have a range from 128 up to 191. Then class C, it have a range from 193 up to this one from 191, and this one from 192, up to 223. And the class D, it have from 224 up to 239. Then class E, it have a range from 240 up to 255, which is the maximum number. So this is the range of class A, B, C, D, and E, whereby normally we are using only class A, B, and C, and this one class D, it used for multicast, and class E, it used for research and development. So then we can check. If you notice 127, I didn't write here, so there is a reserved IP version 4 address. So 127, it will go for reserved IP version 4. It will be in class A, but we keep it in reserved. So this one, as you can check it, 127.0.0.1, it is a loopback. Whereby it used for checking TCP IP protocol configured correctly. As you can see, even if you don't have an internet connection, you can try to ping 127.0.0.1. Then we have another reserved IP address, which is 169.254.x.x. This one, it is a PIPA, which is automatic private IP address. If you have your computer is connected in DHCP server, then at that time DHCP server is not available, so OS itself it will generate a paper IP address, so it will get 169.254. Something like .1.1. Another thing we can check about netbit and hostbit. In class A we have, let's check x.x.x.x. In class A it have one net bit and the 3 will be a host bit. While class B it will have two host bit, two net bit and two host bit, this one. And class C will have 3 net bit and 1 host bit. That one normally we are using. So class A, class B and class C net bit, and this one will be the host bit. What is net bit and what is host bit? Net bit is our network address and host bit will be assigned to our hosts. Also, let's check on subnet mask. Let's go direct in class A. In class A we have net bit, let's try in this format, and a host bit h.h.h, which is h is our host bit and n is our net bit. So net bit in net mask, subnet mask, net bit will be 255 and all host bit will be 0. Then in class B net bit will be 2 and host bit also will be 2. So 255.255.0.0. Then in class C net bit will be 3 and 1 host bit, so it will be 255.255.255.0. so this one will be our subnet mask. So subnet mask of class A, it will be this one, class B, and this one will be for class C. So let's check some example of class A, class B, and class C. When you see any IP, you should know this one is belong to class A, class B, class C by checking a network. So it is if it is range from 1 up to 126, it will be class A. 1 up to 128, 128 up to 191, it will be class B, and 192 up to 223, it will be class C, and this one, this range for class D, and this one for class E. Maybe if someone assigned 10.0.0.4, so this one it will be class A. If someone assigned 193.4.5.5.5, this one it will be class C. So for class B, if someone assigned one, maybe 128 or 100.0.0.9, so this one will be class B. This one class B, this one class C, and this one will be class A. So this one just an example of IP address.